Hello guys, today in this video I would like to show you how to fetch the data in MongoDB. So basically in MongoDB there are two methods to fetch the data, and they are find and the find one, and which are also known as the built-in function in MongoDB. So let's begin. Today I will use terminal to fetch the data in MongoDB. So here it is my terminal. So here I'll just so show with dbs code. It will show me the list of database that I have created in MongoDB, and for today I'll use the company database. Use company. Okay, now I have switched my database to company. So at first I'll use the find one method to fetch the data. db dot I'll use the employees collection. Collection means table. Here db.employees dot find one. Okay, now I'll just find. Okay, I just made one mistake here. Find one. Okay, here it is. Now what this find one method do here in MongoDB? The find one method will return me the first document from the employees collection. So now I'll use another method, and another method is just find. Now I'll just enter. Here it is. Now the find method will return me all the list of document that is exist in employees collection. So how to specify or how to filter the document in employees collection? So to do that we need to add the parameter inside the find function. So let's do it. Now I'll just write db dot employees dot find. Okay, in find function I want to show the data where the address is Kathmandu. Here it is. I want to show the data where the address is Kathmandu. So for that, what I need to do here, I'll just add here the parameter, and inside this parameter I'll just write addrs address, and for address I'll just write here Kathmandu here, and I'll just enter here. Here it is. Now it just returned me the data where the address is Kathmandu. Now one more example I'll give. Now if I add here address Bhadrapur, then it just returned me the data where the address is Bhadrapur. In this way we can just filter the query in MongoDB. Now I want to show the both the data, both the field value where the address is Bhadrapur as well as Kathmandu. So for that, what I need to do is, okay, I'll just delete this all, and I'll write here db dot employees dot find, and inside this find I'll just give a query parameter, and inside this parameter I write here add address, and inside this address one more query I'll give, and inside this query I'll just write a operator $in. $in will match all the available field. So inside this $in, if there is $in, then we have to just give the value in form of array. So here inside this array I'll just write here Bhadrapur, and the another value for array is Kathmandu. Alright, and just I'll enter here. Okay, here it is. Now it just returned me all the documents where the address is either Bhadrapur or Kathmandu. In this way we can use the $in operator. So now just I want to see all the available data here. db dot employees dot find. Okay, here it is. Now I want to show the document where the age is 45 or where the age is 45. Okay, now for that, what I need to do? Okay, for that db dot employees dot find function, and inside this find function we'll just add a parameter. Inside this parameter I'll just write age. Okay, age. Inside this age one more parameter, and inside this one more parameter I'll just write gt. I'll just say 40 means gt 40 means greater than 40. When I just enter, it just show me the document where the age is greater than 40, that means age 45. Now if I want to show the age age which is greater or equal to 45, then what I need to do, I just need to add here one e $gta. $gta means greater or equal. It just return the value which is greater or equal. So I'll just write here 45, then it just return me age 45 value. Now one more. Now if I'll just write here dollar in place of $gt, I'll just replace it and I'll write here lt 45 and I'll just give enter. Now it return me the document where the age is 30. That means $lt operator will just return the data where the which value is lower than 45. Now I want to just show the data which value is lower or equal to 45, smaller or equal to 45. For that, what I need to do, I just need to write $lte operator here and I'll just say here 30 that, and I'll just enter here. Okay, in this way here it just return me the document which age is 30. Now now what we can do, another next thing is, if I want to show the limited number of document in the document from the collection, employee collection, then what we need to use for that, just write here db dot employees dot find, and beside this find I'll just use a limit function here, limit. And to limit the number of data to fetch, we just give the value inside the limit function. For example, I want to show the only 2 documents from the employees collection, then I'll write here 2 limit 2, then it just fetch me the data only 2 document. Okay, now I want to order this data in ascending and descending, then what I need to do for the sorting. So for that I'll just write here db dot employees dot find. Okay, find, and here I'll use sort, and inside the sort I'll give the one parameter. Here in parameter I'll write name, and the name is 1. I'll just enter here 1 and I'll enter here. Okay, now it just return me the list of document where the name start in a alphabetical order. Like for here in first document is first document name start from A and the second H. In this way the document is ordered alphabetically. So if I want to order it in a descending order, if I want to sort this in a descending order, so what I need to do here, in place of 1 I just need to write here -1, then here it is. Now at the first document it has showed me from the P letter, and +1 always represent the positive ascending order, and the -1 represent always the descending order. Now now what is there, like for example I want to use how I can use the distinct method in MongoDB. Okay, that I will show. db dot employees dot, I just need to write here distinct function, and inside the distinct function I'll just write here address address. Okay, I'll just enter db, okay, dis, I just made one mistake here in spelling mistake, the distinct distinct address. Here it is. Now what does this distinct function do? Distinct is a built-in function in MongoDB where it just return me the unique value from the collection. Okay, so for today this much only. I hope you understand how to just do the query in MongoDB, or how to fetch the data in MongoDB. Okay, for today this much. Thank you.